To change menu icons size on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly show you how we can do this. And as you can see, now currently we have these small icons with the app names right here available. So if you want to make your icons bigger, you'll have to go all the way to the top on this application list, on the hex grid application, and then go up with the crown. And now as you can see, the applications are actually bigger, the icons are bigger, but there are no names displayed actually of these applications. And that's how to make these icons slightly bigger. And if you want to make them smaller, you'll also have to go all the way to the top on this list right here, and from here scroll with this crown like down, as you can see, and now it makes the icons smaller, but like up turns on displays the app's name. So that's basically how you can do this. It might actually help you in case if you are having a problem to turn on some applications to actually enable them or something like this. Thank you for watching.